Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to clean a grill with a potato. Now the advantage to this is that even if you use the safety grill brushes, some of those often can shed metal, and if the metal sticks to your meat, especially if you're doing barbecue that's got a lot of sugary sauce and everything on it, it could stick to your meat and you not realize it, and then you swallow it, then you got metal in your throat and or your stomach or intestines. So using a potato to clean your grill is smart, because if there's any residue left, it's just a potato. I mean, most of us eat potatoes, so it's not like there's anything dangerous about a potato. You know, it's just a potato, man. So you get the grill good and hot, run your potato over it, and it's a safe and convenient way to clean your grill. And again, you don't have to worry about any sort of metal or anything like that. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Check out all of my grilling and smoking barbecue videos. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.